Now, there's a moment every man feels in his gut when the woman beside him stops looking at him the same way. Have you ever experienced that look where she still texts you good morning? Still shows up, but that spark, in the depth of your soul, it's gone. And the warmth, it's replaced with quiet distance. And now you start asking yourself, what did I do wrong? You didn't lie. You didn't cheat. You didn't stop loving her. You simply made the mistake almost every good man makes. Yes, unfortunately, every good man makes. And that is you thought being liked was enough. You thought that being supportive, kind, and available would earn you loyalty. But here's the brutal truth, my friend. Women don't fall in love with men they only like. No, they submit to men they deeply respect. You see, attraction gets her attention. However, respect keeps her devotion. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 things that women do for men they truly respect. And as you hear them, you'll start to understand the real difference between being her comfort and being her compass. If you're new to my channel, my name is Stefania Powell from the Gentleman's Square, and I am your personal female advocate for men. And every week I give you the real inside information on what women really and truly respond to versus what they say they want. So, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you never miss my weekly videos and downloads. Let's dive in so you can understand how to get her attention and keep her respect. Because if you're tired of being taken for granted, if you keep meeting women who lose interest once they figure you out, what you're about to learn will flip everything. I promise. You'll get to see exactly how women behave when they see you as a leader, not an option. And once you step into that energy, women don't test you. No, they align with you. Number 1, she listens and actually adjusts. When a woman respects you, she doesn't just hear you. No, she absorbs you. It's like she embodies you energetically. You'll see it in her body language. Her shoulders drop, her eyes soften, and her tone slows down. She's not waiting for her turn to speak. No, she's processing your presence. I had a client, Adam, who told me every argument with his ex felt like a boxing match. Then, when he actually met a woman who genuinely respected him, he noticed something new. When he spoke, she got quiet. She wasn't silent for fear. No, she was attentive out of honor. That's what respect feels like. Your voice carries weight and your words guide, not collide. Number 2, she watches her mouth around you. You can always tell how a woman really feels about you by how she speaks to you and how she speaks about you. If she's sarcastic, cutting, or makes jokes at your expense, it's not humor. No, it's simply disrespectful. When a woman respects you, that energy shifts. She's still playful but careful because her soul knows your energy isn't something to play with. I've seen this countless times with my clients when they stop tolerating disrespect. The tone of every interaction changes. It's like she suddenly remembers she's speaking to a king, not a pleb. Number 3, she adjusts without attitude. Respect doesn't just live in words, it lives in correction. When you calmly express what's not working for you, a woman who respects you will shift without the emotional storm. She doesn't roll her eyes or guilt trip you. She simply rebalances herself and makes an effort to understand you. Why? Because your energy represents safety and structure. And when a woman feels she doesn't need to fight for power, she finds peace in your leadership. When you are grounded in your divine masculine, you don't have to argue to be understood. You see, that's what happens when you stop seeking approval and start embodying presence. Number 4, she speaks about you with pride. When a woman truly respects you, your name carries a different frequency. That's right. And by this, I mean she'll defend you even when you're not around. She'll quote you in conversation in a positive way. She'll tell her friends how you've inspired her by leading with inspiration rather than control. You see, respect lives in how she represents you in your absence. If she hides you, downplays you, or makes excuses for being with you, that's not love. That's what I call a facade. You see, when she speaks of you with reverence, it's because she knows she's connected to something rare. And what I mean by this is she sees you as the man worth attaching her name to. She's proud to be next to you because you're not just a man she sleeps with. No, you're the standard she uses to measure other men. Number 5, she seeks your guidance before major decisions. When a woman respects a man, she values his perspective, has guidance, not control. She'll come to you before she reacts emotionally. She'll ask, "What do you think?" Not because she's weak or can't make decisions, but because she recognizes your groundedness as wisdom. Attraction makes her want your attention, and respect makes her crave your direction. That's leadership. And when women instinctively allow men to lead with clarity and not ego, it's a game changer. Number 6, she drops the games and brings you peace. Now, this is the ultimate sign. When a woman stops the testing, the drama, the push-pull, that's when she's surrendered to your masculine frame. She's no longer needing to prove herself or play those manipulative games to get your attention. Her energy becomes soft, nurturing, calm, because deep down, every feminine woman wants one thing, and that is to feel safe enough to rest in her softness, in her divine feminine energy, and that only happens around a man she cannot shake and who is firmly grounded in his divine masculine energy. So if she's bringing you peace instead of problems, that's not luck, gentlemen. That's called respect. Okay, my friend, the truth is attraction might bring her to you, but only respect keeps her there. When a woman respects you, everything about her changes. Her tone, her touch, her energy. And when she doesn't, she'll keep you around just long enough to drain you. Sounds harsh, right? But unfortunately, the truth sometimes hurts. I'm not here to inject you with a negativity. No, that's not my game. My intention is to awaken your soul. If you're ready to step into that divine masculine energy to become the man she can't afford to lose, then I invite you to book a private strategy call. With myself, we'll rewire how you show up mentally, emotionally, and energetically so you can stop chasing validation and start commanding respect. All you need to do is click the link below in the description and book yourself a strategy call. Step into your power and remember, a man or woman can love many men, but she'll only respect one. Be that man. If you like this video, then drop a comment down below and let me know down in the comments if you can relate to this video. I love reading all your messages and I'll give you direct feedback. I'm truly grateful and I would like to say thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Without you, this channel wouldn't exist. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with another brother who needs to hear this message. My name is Stefania Powell, your personal female advocate from Stoic Tips, where real men don't guess, they lead. Bye for now. Music, heat,